This is Patrick in New Jersey's Outdoor Adventures YouTube channel. Here on a very windy winter day here in New Jersey, actually in Jackson Township. I was driving around and I noticed these trailers out in front of this golf cart dealer. And the guy opened them up for me. I know nothing about them. We're gonna go through and check them out all together. But they're imported from China and I believe into Canada. Maybe some upfittings done, and then they're brought here to the United States. They have three different floor plans. They have the Mountain View, they have the Quick Stop, which looks to be a little bit smaller, and maybe something in between size, they have the Lakeside. So let's just dive into the details and see if we can figure this all out. Like a fiberglass exterior. Got a porch light there. No entrance steps, so they put these plastic ones here. Got tires here, 215/70 R15 low range C. You got a compartment that opens up here. Now, he didn't have the key to open up everything for me. It's kind of on the spot. Acrylic windows, dual pane. The Lakeside by AMC. This is the ADMT 4072. Underneath, looks like a galvanized steel frame. There's your water tank, spare tire. Got stabilizer jacks all four corners. Even has mud flaps in there. Pretty cool. Looks like a torsion axle system. It's got a third brake light all the way up top there. So this rear compartment must pass all the way through. You got steel bottom, freshwater tank fill. This has a cassette style toilet. 30 amp shore power connection. Down over here, you'll have a little motor there. What is that doing? It's just a heater. Look at that. It's got some fuel tanks in there. There's one of your tanks and the drain, and then there's the axle right there in the middle. And the whole underbelly is all fiberglass. All the propane lines, maybe, gas lines. And again, please accept my apology. I know nothing about them. The guy just opened them up and said, here, have at it. The owner's not here right now, but you could take a look at them. Another stabilizer jack here. A handle here to pull it around. Manual hitch jack. Looks like a 2-inch ball. You got a jockey wheel. You got your safety chains over here. I don't see the VIN plate anywhere. But look at this. It's got a little mini split right here in the front. Right on the tongue. And the guy told me there's solar up there. Oh yeah. It's got a split front windshield. Take a look at the side view. A pretty cool looking trailer. Behind the entry door, here we go. 2024 Lakeside ADMT 4072. You got 32 gallons of fresh water. It weighs 3415. 600 watts of solar. You can put 553 pounds inside, and MSRP is $36,999. Got a little privacy shade here. It's got plastic protection on the floor, but you got vinyl flooring throughout. All the cabinets look to be plywood with laminate. That's cool, little leaf extension. Oh yeah, whoa, scared me. They have them all dressed up. Now look at this. These are Velcroed to the wall. You got insect screens and shades. Got roof locker storage here. Another one over here. A light, reading light. Love that. Look at that view out the front. Look at that. Wow. I can't wait till we go to other ones. There's bunk beds in one of them, he told me. And they're about to close, so I'm in a little bit of a rush here. So bear with me. All right, there's water heater control, air heater control, electrical outlet. Dining table looks like it pushes down, makes into a bed. Got some heat ducts over there. This slides out. Oh, look at that. There's the bed springs. This slides out. Maybe the table just comes out completely and this is just a bed. What's this? There's a battery kill switch, inverter control, wardrobe storage. There's a solar controller. Pretty impressed how these are put together. 12-volt fridge, little pantry storage, light switches probably for the bathroom. Let's take a look at the ceiling. Smoke detector, little console here with oh, look at that. Little vent fan. Oh, here we go. You can monitor freshwater, gray waste, auxiliary battery, main battery, and there's all your lighting controls. It's got a little screen door here off to the side. There's the heating control. That doesn't move. Ah, look at the drawer there. It's like an IKEA style drawer. How do these? Ah, that's it. That's all it does. Oh, there's a flip down one. You can see the insulated wheel well. More storage over here. A little step to get up into the bed. Induction cooktop. Nice size sink over here. Doesn't pull out or anything. This is cool. Put all your glassware. Oh yeah. I think this is approximately, if I had to guess, 20 feet, 21 feet on the inside. We'll pass through. That back portion's probably the rear trunk we saw. Looks like a double bed. Probably about 80 inches wide, but about 48 inches, I'm sorry, 80 inches long, 48 inches wide. Reading light, window, pocket there, pocket there. Oh. There's lots of storage. It's like a wallpaper on top of Luan. More storage there. That's all slatted. All right, you got probably about 3 inches of mattress. I guess with the inner spring that helps. A little privacy curtain here. Mirror behind the door. Oh yeah, look at this. This is actually pretty big. It's like 4x4. Look at that. That's a big shower. Wow. Got a mirror. It's all like plastic, ABS plastic wall. There's your handheld. It's shared with the sink here. You got a little protected outlet. I guess you can't store anything. There's access. There's some heat. Got a Thetford toilet. There's the cassette. Oh yeah, it swivels. There you go. You can get your angle. You got a little soap dish area, curtain, and another vent fan. It's pretty quiet. This is pretty spectacular. I'll tell you, it takes a lot to impress me, but I was driving down this highway right here, and there's a windstorm, and there was dust from the construction all the way just covering the road. And I looked to my left and I saw these bright trailers here, and I banged a U-turn, pulled right in, and wow, unbelievable. All right, let's go on to the next one. So this is the Mountain View, the ADMT 5021. 21 means 21 footer. but it looks bigger than the one we just came out of. I love the color. Really, really nice color. It's got the stabilizer jacks and the outside light and the pass-through storage. Same mini split. 30 amp. More windows. Cassette toilet. Fresh water tank fill. I like that cool little spoiler in the back. Look at that. It's probably got solar. Let's reach up. Oh yeah. Yeah, everything's the same except for the layout. So this is a front bedroom. Looks like the same mattress. You know, lots of the parts they could reuse and put in other floor plans. Same roof lockers, maybe a little bit different finish. Yeah, let's see if anything's hidden in them. You never know. All right, same mattress, heat vents, little storage here, little pockets. I like that. Put some smaller things there. Same fridge, freezer. There's a much bigger wardrobe in this one. This has a regular like booth dinette. Folds down, makes into a bed. This table slides on a track. Got this is like plastic molded cabinet. Oh, I hear the rain. And then these, wow, look at that. It's like an outlet track. That's it. Outlet's live now. And then underneath here, there's some storage. Kill switch. That's the wheel well. More storage. Sorry. Vent fan in the ceiling. There's another view of light switch, air heater control, water heater control, sink, inverter control, induction cooktop. Just prevents things from sliding off. Nice black accent. Same system control there. You got a privacy curtain for this back. So you got bunks for kids. Look at this, 80 inches long probably. I would say about 30 inches wide. Bunk bed there. Got a reading light. Cool accent on the wall. This is your step to get up in. Same bathroom. Pretty much identical, just rinse and repeat. Use it over and over again. Really cool. I'll give you another view. Oh, look at this. This locks when you're inside the bathroom. Really cool floor plan. Let's take a look at the window sticker. This one's a little bit more money. $37,999, 32 gallons, 3622, 346 pounds of carrying capacity. There's a 9,000 B2 air conditioner, 600 watts of solar. Doesn't tell you the size of the battery system. All right, next one. You know, they got a bunch. They got a whole bunch over there. They got another one over here, but these are all the same floor plan, he told me. So this is a baby one. It's got maybe a pass-through storage over there. Love the colors. They're just fun. A lot of fun. And they're probably light enough that, you know, with the handles and the jockey wheel, you could pull them around, maneuver them around. Got the mini split up here. That must be a service access for it. It's pretty clean underneath. I mean, there are some things that are exposed, but actually, now that I look at it, that heat is a diesel heat because, or gasoline, but this is a fuel tank here. That's how you fill it. There's a fuel filter over here, and there's the furnace system. So no propane at all. Let's take a look at the solar. Oh yeah. .30 amp shore power. Same rims and tires. Same stabilizer jacks. This is the AMC ADMT 4011. And $34,999 MSRP. 3 beds, 200 watts of solar, 9,000 BTU air conditioning. You can put 813 pounds of cargo, and it weighs 3,096. 32 gallons of fresh water. All right, let's go inside. All right, this one is a bunk layout, just like the last one. But it has the U-shaped dinette that the first one had. So this is maybe a little bit bigger, but pretty much the same as the first one. I moved the vent fan up further. This one's got a cool pink accent. I love that. Wow. There's all the heating controls. Pretty gorgeous. I like that black with the pink. A little bit more charcoal over here. A little bit less counter space. Some storage down below. Below the bunk, a little bit of storage. Looks like the same exact bunk system. And uh-oh, this one no cassette toilet. This one has a Porta-Potty. Maybe they offer that as an upgrade. But everything else is the same. And I think he said that the storage compartment's open on this one. Yep. Nice and thick. Yeah, I mean, what else do you need? Pretty awesome. Well, this is Patrick with New Jersey's Outdoor Adventures YouTube channel. I hope you enjoyed the tour on this spontaneous jump through a whole bunch of trailers on the side of the highway on the windiest day of the year. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time.